Away they go. D as in Dixie, friendly fire. Formidable Ella down on the inside, rushing up Speedy Kim and racing import Evita Zalazam, Butcher of Art, racing 6 by the 7 Super Elegant. Shades of Reds running in 8th position. D as in Dixie, live in Manila. Lord Gold is running at the tail of the field. Formidable Ella Speedy Kim down on the inside, rushing up Evita. Friendly Fire racing in 4 by a length and a half, running in 5 by some 5 lengths. Bachelor of Arts, Super Elegant down on the inside, Shades of Red. Now moving up together with Salazam. Rounding the far turn, Evita is now the leader. Formidable Ella. Friendly Fire racing in third and Speedy Kim. Moving up, Peace, Bachelor of Arts and Bideral Super Elegant. As they swing from Formidable Ella regains the lead, followed by Abita. Super Elegant on the inside. Bachelor of Arts is moving up and nearing the last 100 meters more to run. Formidable Ella by some 2 lengths. Bachelor of Arts live in Manila is on the outside, and finally Formidable Ella live in Manila. Bachelor of Arts, Super Elegant, and for your Fanta Vecta, number 10, Friendly Fire. Then comes Shades of Reds.